Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by saving the TikTok clip you want as a local video. This is the fastest path. Open TikTok, find the clip, then use the built-in download button or a screen recorder to capture it. Make sure the clip is trimmed to under 30 seconds for most wallpaper tools, and give the app storage permission. Once done, preview the MP4 so you know the start frame. This matters because live wallpapers loop or trigger from that exact frame. You now convert the saved MP4 into a format your phone accepts. Open a live photo or wallpaper app, import the MP4, then trim to the best 3:15 seconds. Shorter files loop cleaner. Adjust the frame rate and export resolution to match your screen, for example 1080p or the device native size. This prevents stretching. Once exported, the app will save a live photo to Photos on iOS. You finish by applying the exported file as your wallpaper. On iOS, pick the live photo in Settings Wallpaper and enable Live Photo or Motion. On Android, choose the file in Wallpaper Picker or a third-party launcher and set behavior to animate. Make sure battery saver is off because it can disable motion. If it doesn't play, re-export with a shorter clip, verify app permissions, and restart the phone. These steps resolve most playback issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.